Hello, Shwmai, Croeso, welcome to Lesson 3 in the Basics of Learning Welsh. Today we're looking at numbers. Here they are. Okay, if we look up here, we've got un, dau, tri, pedwar, pimp, not pump, pimp, chwech, saith, wyth, naw, deg. Okay, let's have a look at these. Un, dau, tri. Are you saying them after me? Pedwar, pimp, chwech, saith, wyth, naw, deg. Okay, why not group them? Learn them in groups of 2 or 3. Un, dau, tri. Un, dau, tri. Pedwar, pimp. Pedwar, pimp. It's not pump. Pedwar, pimp. If you want to drop the first CH and just say wech, chwech, that's acceptable sometimes, but try and say chwech. Saith, wyth. Saith, wyth. Naw, deg. Let's do the lot. Are we ready? Say after me then. Un, dau, tri. Pedwar, pimp. Chwech. Saith, wyth. Naw, deg. Okay? Okay. So, Cymraeg extra. The word for 0, nothing, is dim in Welsh. Okay, dim. Other phrases you'll see in lots of signs and around the place in Wales. There's lots of things saying you can't do things. So you've got dim smygu, no smoking. Dim parcio, no parking. Dim siarad. Might be something your teacher says in school. No talking. So have a look at these again. Dim smygu. Dim parcio. Dim siarad. So look around the room where you are. Count the items. Practice. Un, dau, tri. Pedwar, pimp. Chwech, saith, wyth. Naw, deg. And then test yourself. Go to Kahoot.it and play a short quiz. The address is in the video description. And there we have it. The numbers 1 to 10. There you are. Da iawn. Well done. You are on your way to speaking Welsh.